Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to get the free Ladybug hat in Heartopia. It's super cute and really easy to get. So how do you get it? All you need to do is complete your collection star points. Just open your collections, your insect story collections like this. You can open it from the smartwatch and then just tap on collections and then just tap on insect story like this, and then just tap on the star collections on here like this. And to unlock this hat you need to reach 75 star. You can increase your stars point by collecting insect like this. With higher star that you can get, the more faster you can unlock this ladybug hat. So just keep completing your collection until you hit 75 stars. And once you reach 75 star points, this ladybug hat will be automatically unlocked and sent to you. And for the look, this hat looks like this. Look like looks like this. I think it's so adorable. It's so cute. It has a green color with the ladybug ornament like this. It's so cute. And okay, that's it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.